Hello, we're preparing for electronics class, so hopefully you've got your supplies ordered because I did my last little video on that. Hopefully got something like this in the mail with your parts bag, your parts book. You've got a box from Walmart or someplace with some latches just to protect all your assets, and hopefully you picked up one of these at the Dollar Tree. So in my very next video, or in this video, I'm sorry, we're going to take this parts bag. If you haven't already, we're going to put all our parts in our little bitty container. And we're going to start learning who and what these parts are. So if you'll go ahead and turn to page 8 and 9 in your book. Here's our book. We're on page 8 and page 9. Remember, you can purchase it from e-tron, and I made another video on that, a video short. So I was going to go over all these real quick with you. So we have ceramic capacitors in this first little bin. Ceramic capacitor looks like this right here. Note each one of these is in your thing. So this is going to be on page 9. Ceramic capacitor tells us what it is. A capacitor acts as a temporary battery by storing electricity. Ceramic capacitors store small amounts of electricity. This is what this is, ceramic capacitor. We'll learn more about those in different videos. We have an electrolytic capacitor, and you're going to learn what these are so you'll know how to group your little box better. And as we get into different videos, you'll learn what to do with these particular, where it's best to put them at in there. An electrolytic capacitor stores relatively large amounts of electricity. They have polarity, which means they have a positive and negative terminal. All right, moving on. We have a timer. In this particular thing, they call it an integrative circuit. Here's my little timer in real life. You can see it in the picture. Integrative circuits have several components: transistors, diodes, resistors, capacitors, condensers, condensed inside of a very small package. Each type of IC performs a different purpose according to the different components it has. Right underneath that, we have a push button switch, so I'll grab it out of my box. It's the one with the little purple wires. It's our push button switch, and you can see it right there. Also, while you're learning these, be sure and look at the schematics. It's a symbol. This is what's known as the symbol for this push button switch, because we'll go over schematics and how to learn about them, and you'll need to know that if you're going to go farther into electronics. Next, we have our LEDs, or what they're known as light eliminating